like this. It's good to do it like this. So you get, like you're pre-spreading it. If you spread it just with the broom, like, see what David did?
Yeah.
I don't like that.
It all fell out.
You want to do it like this, because that helps it get in the cracks better, because the sand actually has different size molecules in it. And if you use the broom to spread it around, like, see over there, like a lot at once, like, then it when we're doing this, it's very important because the polymers are water activated. Once this is done, we're going to water everything. It's going to get really firm and settled in there. The polymer is going to activate and the sand's going to stick together. So when someone walks into some mud and then walks on the sand, it actually starts activating the polymers as they're going, which you do not want. But some people just walk everywhere with their big feet, just assuming that nothing's going to happen. But something always does. Sometimes what happens is me. We're now watering the sand to activate the polymers. So the sand, the structure of the sand molecules provides friction that prevents the blocks from moving from side to side, up and down, etc. But they used to do this and then the sand would all wash away. So the polymers in the sand make the sand harder and make it more difficult to wash away. So just to recap, we put polymeric sand in to help the blocks interlock so they're not loose anymore, nice and tight. Can't move them. And then water it so that it is activated, and the polymers are active now, and they're not liable to erode. So a common misconception is that the polymeric sand becomes like grout, like concrete. It does not. It becomes like hard sand. I'm trying to get the sand to, I don't want the sand to wash out while I'm doing this. So I water it, let it kind of seep through the joints, come back over it again, water it again, let it seep. Watch the hose, watch the hose. You want to get the water all the way through the sand joint to the bottom.